Hey, it's Jared with Hill Media Group. If your business isn't showing up in Google Maps when somebody searches for your business services near them, then you're losing a lot of business. You see, when people are searching for a solution to their localized problem, they're searching for either service type near me or service type city, town name, and then Google will present the Maps box that has a couple of Google business profile listings, usually 3 to 5, and then below that are all of the blue links. But if your business isn't showing up towards the top, then it's pretty much invisible to all of the potential customers out there. I'm going to walk you through 7 things that you need to do going into 2026 to rank in Google Maps, starting with the basics and building up to the strategies that separate the top 3 results from everyone else. Number 1 is to claim and verify your Google business profile. Many businesses haven't claimed their profile or perhaps even have duplicate listings. To verify your business, go to business.google.com, log in with your Google or Gmail account, put in your business name, your zip code, and follow the instructions. Google will walk you through the process of either verifying an existing listing or creating a new listing if one doesn't exist. It's important not to leave your Google business profile unclaimed because technically anybody can come by and claim it and make temporary updates to it, resulting in incorrect information. If there's an existing Google business profile for your business, you can also click on the more information for the Google business profile and choose the claim this business option, and it'll take you straight to the business.google.com portal so that you could finish claiming that listing. This is a foundational beginner step because in order to make changes to that listing, such as updating your hours, adding your website, adding photos, and additional services that you offer, it all requires having a claimed Google business profile. Step 2 is to complete every section that the Google business profile offers. Now, this can vary a bit depending on the type of services that you provide, but start first with your business name. Your business name needs to be consistent across your Google business profile, your website, and any other accounts or listings that your business could be found on. Use your real business name and don't stuff keywords into the title. This is an outdated tactic that doesn't work anymore. You want to make sure that you've chosen a primary and a secondary category. Your primary category should be the number 1 category that you service most. So think about the most generalized category available for your business, such as auto repair or landscaper. Make sure that you've listed your hours, that your phone number is correct, that you've added your website, and also included service areas. Now, there's usually a section to add an about paragraph for your business as well. Make sure that's filled out. And then also add your menu of services. This is what most businesses don't do. Listing your services is kind of like extended category search. If somebody types in something into Google search that is a more specific search term that there isn't a Google category for, Google will rely on the list of services that you provide to match those listings with the search result. Make sure you also select any other specific attributes about your business, such as whether or not it's wheelchair accessible, veteran owned, etc. Take advantage of those and select all that makes sense for your business. I found that Google rewards completeness because completeness requires time, and going back in and updating these things often sends signals to Google that you're an active business. Ensure that your information is consistent anywhere that it can be found. Your name, address, phone number, or NAP should be consistent on your Google business profile, your website, and anywhere else. This comes down to how your address is displayed. If you are in 123 ABC Street, Suite A, and Suite is spelt out, and that's the way that it's confirmed with the post office, and that's the way that Google is displaying it, then make sure that it's also listed that way on your website and listed anywhere else where your business information can be found. Any inconsistencies can lead to confusion within the search engines, and if the search engine algorithms are confused, they're going to send your competition as the search result instead. Some key places to check, of course, your website, Facebook page, if you have a Yelp listing, any industry directories, Chamber of Commerce websites, or other local association listings that you might have a presence on. It's so common to find old phone numbers, a suite number flat out missing, or inconsistent abbreviations that end up causing problems. So this inconsistent information creates doubt within the search engines, making it hard for them to verify the consistency of your information, which leads to you ranking lower than you probably should. Step 4 is to build citations on relevant directories. A citation is any mention of your business name and contact information from another website. General directories like Yelp, Bing, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Apple Maps, and the list goes on. There's plenty of places where you can get listings of your business name and your contact information. There are industry-specific websites such as Angie for contractors, Health Grades for medical, and TripAdvisor for restaurants, and local directories such as Chamber of Commerce websites and other local business associations. It's important to focus on quality over quantity. You want citations from local sites that are authoritative and relevant. Citations act like votes of confidence that tell Google that your business is legitimate. Step 5 is to generate and respond to reviews. Reviews have become one of the strongest ranking factors. So focus on recent reviews and getting new reviews. Your review velocity matters, both quantity and quality. Create a simple system for inviting your customers to write reviews. Ask your happy customers and make it easy by sending them a direct link. If you go into your Google Business profile and go into the review section, there is a direct link that you can use for asking customers for a review. That link will send them directly to the review page, making the first step for them to choose how many stars they're going to rate you, and then the second step to add photos, and the third step to write their review. The process is extremely simple. When you receive reviews, make sure to respond to them. Don't write some canned response that you're then going to copy and paste into every single one. Take a couple of seconds to write a unique response to the review, regardless of whether or not it's a 5-star or a 1-star. Never buy reviews or incentivize your customers to write them. Those things violate Google's policies. Reviews build trust with Google and with customers. The businesses in your area with the most recent reviews is going to have a huge advantage over those whose reviews are several years old. Step 6 is to optimize your website for local search. Your website and your Google Business profile work together. Ensure that your website mentions the city that you serve and the services that you provide on key pages throughout your website. Create dedicated service area pages if you serve different locations. Embed a Google map that shows your specific location on your contact page. Use local business schema markup to help Google better understand your business. And of course, make sure your website is mobile friendly and that it loads quickly. Your website is the foundation that supports your Google Business profile that shows up within Google Maps. A weak website is going to limit how well your business performs in Google Maps. Step 7 is to earn local backlinks and community mentions. Backlinks from other local websites give a signal to Google that you're trusted in your community. Here are some strategies. You could sponsor local events, partner with other businesses, contribute to a local newspaper or blog, or get listed by other local organizations. Look for opportunities where your business naturally fits, such as charities you support or organizations you belong to. Definitely avoid link schemes or paid links. Focus on genuine relationships. This is where you move from competing to dominating locally in Google Maps. Local backlinks are the hardest to get, which is exactly why they're so valuable. Let's do a brief recap. Claim your profile, complete every section, keep your information consistent, build citations on directories, generate and respond to reviews, optimize your website for local search, and earn those local backlinks. If you're the DIY type, these are definitely things that you can accomplish on your own, but it's also the type of thing that we do here at Hill Media Group. If you'd like us to take a look at your website and your current Google Business profile rankings, use the link in the description below to schedule a free discovery call. And if you'd rather have someone handle all of this for you, that's what we do here at Hill Media Group. Check out the link in the description below to schedule a free 15-minute strategy call so that we can take a look at your situation together. Thanks, and I hope to talk to you soon. Take care.